Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can add battery percentage into your Windows 11. Here you can see if you click on the taskbar battery icon, you can see the percentage is showing over here. But what we will going to do, the percentage will shows in here. So how are you gonna do it? So first we will go to our search icon and gonna search. And we will going to search Microsoft Store. You can see here is a Microsoft Store. And if you click on that, our Microsoft Store is opened. So now we need to come over the search options and going to search for battery percentage. And then you will find this battery percentage option over here. If you now click on that, and here is our battery percentage pure battery add-on. You can see if you look at this picture, you can see our battery percentage is showing, will be showing after downloading this, like here you can see. So without hesitation, just close it and click on get. After clicking on open, if we just click on that, we can see your battery icon or your battery percentage is showing over here. So this is how you can add battery icon percentage into your Windows 11 or Windows 10. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope to see you in another video. Till then, goodbye.